Part B. On the grid, draw a cumulative frequency graph for your table. You can use the graph, the table from the previous page. I've just copied mine over to the side. So, for the group of 0 to 20, which is on the speeds at the bottom, so between 0 and 20, the cumulative frequency is 2. Take the highest value when plotting for a cumulative frequency. So, on this one, again, careful of the scale. Each box actually equals 2, so I have to be very careful here. I've got a small cross there. That's 2 on 20. Next one, when it goes up to 40, so on 40, which is the top end of my group, goes up to 11, which is there. You're allowed to be a couple of boxes off, so the more accurate you are, the better. Up to 60, then we go up to 34, which is there, I believe. Up to 80, we go to 65. Not to 100, this will go up to 92. So it's all about remembering what type of graph we're trying to draw. Cumulative frequency graph should always give you this nice, lovely curved shape. From 0 to 120 goes up to 100. Now just plotting the points accurately gives you 1 mark. So even if you got that table wrong, you're still going to get a mark for plotting them accurately at the end of the points. The final point, though, to get the second mark here, is to join these up with a nice curve. This should be freehand, where possible, going through each of your points. Mine wasn't amazing there, so I'm just going to have to redraw that. A bit difficult doing this with the computer. But there we go. Now, part C says find an estimate for the number of lorries with a speed of more than 90 kilometers. Slightly evil question, this one, as it's saying more than 90. Not exactly 90, it's saying estimate the number of lorries with speed more than 90. So we know that there are 100 lorries in total, but how many are there up to 90? So if we go for 90, draw it up to our graph. That's what you draw the curve for. And by drawing this line on, you make it your method mark here. It looks like there are 82 people on my graph. So 82 people. I've done it in black so it shows up a bit better. 82 people at 90 are there up to 90 kilometers per hour. Now that would potentially still get you your 1 mark. You may have got 80, you may have got a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on where your curve is. But that's not what the question is asking. It's saying more than 90. So however many people are left up here, that's our answer. So the actual answer is just going to be our total, 100. Take away the number of people under that speed. In that case, it leaves me with 18 people. So the correct answer was about 18.